Hi, this is Yolanda from Best Technology. Today, I would like to share some FPC and rigid flex PCB features with you. As you know, in the production of FPC, we normally use stiffener to meet the hardness. Both FPC with stiffener and rigid flex PCB have the same features of flexibility and rigidity. So, do you know how to distinguish them? Let me share with you. This is a FPC sample with FR4 stiffener in the bottom side. Here are two holes you can see here, but there is no any copper inside. These holes are only used for fixing the components, while as for rigid flex PCB, it is combined with PCB and FPC, which have many plated through holes here. These holes have copper and conduction inside. In addition, in the production process of rigid flex PCB, it is more complex than FPC and it is more expensive. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.